It's a fact. Entrepreneurship accelerates economic growth, innovation, and social changes. And that's why the world needs its entrepreneurs. The SMU Master of Entrepreneurship and Innovation is a specialized program that equips you with future citizen skills to manage uncertainties and create new opportunities as an innovative entrepreneur. Recognizing the importance of an experiential component in entrepreneurial and innovation-led education, the full-time program places special focus on the simultaneous integration of coursework and hands-on experience of venture building. Contrary to common beliefs, entrepreneurship is broader than just founding a company. Hence, the program offers students the flexibility to pursue their own projects or engage as a consultant to help build and grow an existing startup.
Entrepreneurship investment by angel investors, venture capitalists, and governments in Asia has been rising steadily in past years. This presents tremendous opportunities for entrepreneurs. The SMU Master of Entrepreneurship and Innovation is an excellent training ground if you are looking to pursue your interest in entrepreneurship and gain innovation management experience. Specifically, its venture building experience component provides students a strong practical focus to help you apply what you learn to your entrepreneurial career. International students whose projects qualify for the SMU IIE Big Incubation Program may also qualify for the Singapore Entrepreneur Pass Work Visa.
The program offers a generous equity-free prototype budget, the opportunity to take up a consulting role, and an exchange. Students also have access to a diverse set of mentors and other startups. This is important as it opens up a diverse network and opportunities. If you're looking to be an entrepreneur and innovator of the future, don't wait. Sign up today.